All right, everybody. Got another YouTube. I always think somebody's gonna take it. You wanna be on YouTube? No. You wanna give Strikz a plug? Half off, half off. No. Half off if you come in and see this guy. That's it, you heard it here, half off.
Just kidding.
Go see Dean. Go see Dean at Strikz. How about that? Hokey hokey got the bride. We're here at Strikz. Woo! I can't slide at all. Alright, we're here at Strikz. My old stomping grounds. Good to see everybody. I'm back in Plano in a couple of weeks, but the next couple of weeks I'll be here at Strikz, so I'll try to see if I can get you as much as I can, but it's a little hard back here. But anyways, like and subscribe, you know all the good stuff, and I'll take you along for the ride. All right, I'll let you know when we start in just a little bit. I don't know how much is recorded, but I'll catch you up. We're on 5th frame of the first game. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you can put it right there. Thanks. 5th frame. First game. I feel like I'm bowling on two distinct different patterns.
So this new oil is supposed to last longer. I'm already having to move.
Oh no, I don't ever remember being this far left ever at Strikz. But since I've been back, I don't think I go right of, I don't know, maybe 13, 14. And by the end of the night, I'll be on like 15 and 20. But yes, I have to move quite a bit. So I'm standing on 28, looking at 28. And I'm looking at 13, so I'm gonna try it over here. 5 definitely more than 6. Of course, I pulled it, and I left that last time. I gotta hit my mark. I pulled left. I stick on 5 every time, so that's number one, the issue. Can't get my feet underneath me on this one, but finally give me a spare on this lane, although I don't think you can see it camera, but got to get something on the ball, Joseph. Can't be fluffing it out there like that. I'm so scared I'm going to get a stick or slip out there. I can't throw with any confidence. Got the same idea. Ooh, I got a pin down. 5 pin? No, 9 pin? Alright. Let's get the thing reset. Alright, looks like everybody's got the same idea. We're switching balls here, so physics blackout now. Same spot though. Yeah, see that goes a little bit longer. Goes a little bit longer, a little cleaner. At phase 2 it's the mid lane. Too much. Alright, what do I got here? I need to get my cards. Here we go. Physics blackout, same thing. I'm saying it on 30, 25, 26, 27. Looking at 13. Yeah, just totally cleaner. A lot better reaction. There we go. That phase 2 just hit in the mid lane. Just picked up and just took off too quick. So. Alright, Joseph, where is your thing? Oh, it's right there. I'm gonna grab something right behind you real quick. Oh, sorry. Alright, here we go. Go, 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 go! That was a way lefter.
Looks like it's right. So what's this little green light?
So I can hear what you're saying.
What's this little green light?
It's a microphone. It hears what you're saying.
Oh, is it?
Look back here. There's a camera back there. They can see how bad you're bowling too, so.
Yeah, your strike demonstrated that.
All right, let's do 29 now. Looking at 13. That's where I put in the ESPN logo, the sound clip right there. All right. Changed and everything, and let me tell you, I haven't missed a damn thing because I have 539 open, 719 spirit. And the second game. I'm so far left for me that I'm having to figure out how to play this thing. Because I'm so far left and I had the phase, the blackout, the physics blackout just didn't have the reaction in the end. The same with my phase 2. So I've got my attention stopper. Hopefully I retain some energy here. Here we go. Finally. There you go. That's a start. That's a start. Hook. There you go. Nice shot in. All right, we're slowly creeping back in. Come on, Joseph. A little bit more rotation on it. They don't have the, Plano has an extra dot, and I'm 5 from the left dot, but here I'm 10, and I would keep forgetting. I'm like, oh no, wait, I look up and I'm like, no. I'm 5 more, but here, I'm against the ball return on the right lane, whereas at Plano, I'm not. I still got some room, so I'm like taking like a 5-step approach, but my steps are like like the Flintstones trying to get up there. He throws that ball, and I'm like, did he throw it? I didn't even hear it. I'm like,
He never hear it. When I first saw him and he cocked back, I was like, oh, he about to throw the ball hard as hell. It was like, whoop. I was like, I never hear it. It's like hard.
yeah.
Never hear the ball. He was like, did he throw the ball? I didn't even hear it.
I'm like, I saw him walking. I'm like, where'd he go?
When I first saw him,
The only person that I've seen do that is, consistently is Amari.
Yeah.
And it drives me bonkers. I don't know how she does it.
Yeah, I had a little bit of two. I spun it a little bit. Awful game. 161, man. My knees hurt and I'm feeling it for this weekend. Alright, so I wasn't recording that whole time. Alright, so I don't know where you guys have left off at. Doing an awful job tonight. Vlogging league, but we're in the 3rd game now. And I shot like a 150, 60 something right there in game 2 of golf. We're down 116 in series. It's like we're climbing Mount Kilimanjaro to get totals. Yeah. Oh. Having an awful night. My knee's hurting. I'm sore bowling the sweeper this weekend. Started out with the phase 2 and it just it was nice because I needed a symmetrical ball to get down the lane, but it read the mid lane too early, so I switched to the backout, which was nice because it was a little cleaner and it kind of got down just enough for me to get through the mid lane, but then as I kept creeping up to the left, I wasn't finishing, so I went to the attention star, which was great, but because it's a polished pearl asymmetrical ball, the over-under is, it's just really whippy right now. So I moved back right, and I'm throwing the Ion Pro. All right, Joseph, let's finish this out. Who'd have thunk it? Move it to the middle. Actually works.
Ours definitely does.
All right, that's it. Finished with a 577, 180, 161, 236. Who would have thought that a Ion Pro down the middle would be the ball at the end of the day? But that was it. All right, see you later. Bye.